Go to wallets. See there, I have 141.9 USDT in my spot wallet. Now go to home page. Go there. Now go to more service. Scroll down. See there, in this finance region, go to send cash. See there, so enter your amount, how much you want to withdraw. I want to withdraw a total amount from my wallet, so now I click on max. Okay, so now I receive 12,482 rupees in my Indian bank. Okay, see there is three payment methods. One is Bank of India peer-to-peer withdrawal method, and another one is IMPS P2P and UPI P2P. So from Bank of India, so enter your account number, IFSC code, account type saving or current, and bank name and your branch, then confirm. Or if you want withdraw with IMPS, select IMPS, continue. Same, enter your bank account number, IFSC code and bank name, then click on confirm and withdraw. Or if you want withdraw with UPI, select UPI, continue, enter your UPI ID in this box. So you can upload a QR code from here and click on confirm, withdraw. So in these three methods you can withdraw your money to your Indian bank. So now I want to withdraw with Bank India, so I selected it. So your account holder name automatically shows here, and enter your bank account number, IFSC code. So now I fill up it. So now I filled up everything. So now I click on confirm. So it's asking authentication code, enter it. So continue now. So check your details. And click on continue. So confirm. See there, go to chart and see there that person send a message that I am paying please wait after payment just release sir. So I sent OK. So after you receive payment, click on payment received. So click a tick mark on it, confirm release. Again enter authentication code. So done. I released my amount. See there, done. See there, I received 12,490 to my bank account. Okay guys, in this way you can withdraw your money from Binance to your bank account. Okay guys, thank you.